The Democratic Attorney General of New York, Eric Schneiderman, is going after a group of pro-life advocates he says are blocking access to an abortion clinic. But the case has an interesting turn now, and it has everything to do with the state's star witness. New York Attorney General Eric Schneiderman filed suit against the advocates last year, saying they're violating laws regulating access to clinics, pointing to a video that purports to show a pro-life activist trying to talk a woman out of ending her pregnancy at a clinic in Jamaica, Queens. The state Democratic Attorney General seeking civil penalties and damages against 14 defendants, including Angela Braxton, who says she discovered religion after the 9/11 terror attacks. The lawsuit alleges the defendants made death threats, pinned patients against a wall, and distributed posters of what appeared to be mangled fetuses.
We have documented all of these tactics with video recordings that we are submitting to the court today.
It now turns out a star witness for the prosecution reportedly created a fake Facebook account, complete with a picture of someone else she found on the internet, in order to befriend many within the pro-life community and spy on their efforts. Thomas More Law Center attorneys representing some of the pro-life defendants wanted to know more.
There was a mention in one of the discovery documents of, just in passing, buried deep in the file, about a fake Facebook account.
The defendant's legal team says it turns out the woman is an abortion clinic worker who disguised herself as a pro-life sympathizer in order to look for evidence of aggressive plans of action against New York clinics.
She didn't see the grand design that she thought she was going to see of people organizing massive protests and any type of illegal activity. I think mostly what she found was people sharing Bible passages and making prayer requests.
The witness also reportedly took some of the undercover video, which the defense says doesn't show what New York's Attorney General claims it does.
His press conference making allegations about patients being blocked, patients being harassed, and then when you actually pull up the evidence, you look at the video evidence, and it's just not there.
A spokeswoman for the Attorney General tells Fox News, quote, "The account was set up by a third party without our office's knowledge and before our office began its investigation. Our office did not ask her to share anything from the account with us." The defense attorneys charge the AG is politically motivated. Well, in announcing the lawsuit last year, Schneiderman said he's been part of the pro-choice movement since he was 17, when he took off a year between high school and college to work at an abortion clinic in Washington, D.C.